अटैचमेंट खत्म करनी है. Anyone else wants to finish attachment? तो think about it. मुझे attachment finish करनी है, नहीं करनी है, क्योंकि दोनों आंसर राइट है. इस हॉल में कोई भी आंसर रॉन्ग नहीं हो सकता है. फिनिश करनी है, नहीं करनी है. अटैचमेंट फिनिश कर देंगे लोगों से. अटैचमेंट फिनिश कर देंगे फैमिली से. टू मच अटैचमेंट हर्ट्स. लिटिल बिट अटैचमेंट, लिटिल हर्ट. ओके. So which means attachment is proportional to hurt. तो जितना जितना hurt होना है. So she says too much attachment, too much hurt. So I will not keep too much attachment because there is too much hurt. But I can't live without attachment. So I will keep little attachment. And that little attachment will only cause me little hurt. And those who say I'm going to finish attachment will finish hurt. But फिर उनके रिश्ते कैसे हो जाएंगे? रिश्ते कैसे हो जाएंगे? No attachment. We need to understand. Look at this. Two children are born attached physically. देखिए ना फोटो, है ना? तो what do they have to do? Sit together, stand together, get ready together, walk together, run together, सब कुछ together. Isn't life so beautiful for them? नहीं, why? सब कुछ इकट्ठे करने के लिए मिल रहा है. इकट्ठे बैठो, इकट्ठे उठो, इकट्ठे चलो, इकट्ठे भागो. Isn't it beautiful life? No. फिर उनका क्या करते हैं? उनको क्या करते हैं? Separate. So which one is more comfortable? Which one is more comfortable? Joined or separated? So now what they can do is, if one sits, the other can stand. Because they are detached. This is physical attachment. Now there's another attachment, emotional attachment. Emotional attachment means my mind is connected to their mind, attached. So if one is upset, the other person naturally upset. Even अगर नहीं होगे तो वो बोलोगे आप upset नहीं हो रहे मुझे देखकर, आप मैं upset हूँ. इसका मतलब आप मुझे प्यार ही नहीं करते, इसलिए आप अपसेट नहीं हो रहे. तो हम नहीं भी हो रहे थे तो होने लग जाते हैं. होता है नहीं होता? हाउ मीन, हाउ इनडिफरेंट. तुम्हें बुरा भी नहीं लग रहा कि मैं इतना दर्द में हूँ, which means you don't love me. Belief system out there in the world. So if one is upset, the other will get upset. If one is angry, the other one will get angry. If one is hurt, the other one will get hurt. If one is crying, the other one is going to cry. And we said, I love you so much. I love you so much that I can feel your pain. तो हम कट्ठे दर्द में जाते हैं सारे घर में. And so a family of 4 walking down the road, एक गड्ढा आया, pit, one fell down, and the other 3 said, we love you so much. We love you so much. That's one way of living, where my emotions are attached to the other person's emotions. If the other person fluctuates, I fluctuate. And what I do to them is, I add my pain to their existing pain. And then those people who are family and friends, instead of sitting and talking to us, they prefer to go out and talk to a counselor, because the counselor was not attached to them. And so the counselor was able to remain stable, radiate respect, and not be judgmental about them because the counselor was not attached to them. So that's one way of living. And the other way of living is, they are upset, we are powerful. They are angry, we are peaceful. They are rude, we are sweet. They are irritated, we are calm. Which one is a better way of living? Which one is a better way of living? Which one is a better way of living? Because what this second thing does is, when a family member, a friend, a child is in pain, this side, which is stable and strong, is able to pull them out of the pain. And which means if one member falls into the pit, the other one pulls them out because they did not fall into the